Now, how do we actually manage this? In order to make an API idempotent, all you have to do is you have to send an idempotency key. You have to send an idempotency key. This will be the duty from your request mechanism, that is whatever is your initiation mechanism, that is, let's say your mobile app or let's say web app, from wherever you are actually going to allow the user to actually make an API. From there, we are going to send an idempotent key. This idempotent key will be sent to the corresponding service. If I would say, let's say in case of our payment, if the payment actually went through, I'm going to save this idempotency key inside my server. Somewhere I will save this idempotency key, right? I'm going to save this idempotency key. And before we actually use this idempotency key, I will check whether this idempotency key was already saved or not. If it is not saved, then what we will do, we will continue with our operation. And once the operation is successfully committed or completed, then we save our idempotency key. Now, once we have saved it, if you try to retry with the same idempotency key, we are not going to allow it to go through, right? That's what we are going to do. These idempotent APIs are solely made to avoid these retry mistakes, right? Because now you might be thinking, sir, what if the user somehow manually changes the idempotency key? Yes, let's say the user somehow manually changes the idempotency key. That's the point when we are not going to handle their retry. They are manually trying to do a retry. If we see a new idempotency key, we will assume that, oh, you are manually trying to do a new retry. You want your money to be deducted, we will deduct it. But of course, we should have checks behind the scenes that if let's say they are trying to make a booking for an already done booking, that should not happen, right? So we can do some checks like that. But idempotency is solely for your retry purpose, that by mistake you retried because you were not able to receive a response. For example, a situation like this, when you were expecting a notification, but you have not received a notification and you immediately retried somehow. So your money should not be deducted twice.